Amma Ba'd. Respected teachers and dear friends, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. My name is Sufyan Abdul Azim Yashwikar. I study in class Hifz Jim. As we all know that we have gathered here to celebrate the independence of our country India. We got independence from British rule on 15 August 1947. As India completed 75 years of independence, we are celebrating Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. Dear friends, before 15th August 1947, India was a British colony and a slave country. During that period, people of the country suffered a lot. They did not have any rights under British rule. They were deprived of even fundamental rights. Britishers were contentiously oppressing our countrymen and exploiting our resources. Dear friends, Hindus and Muslims merged into one to compel white people to leave our country and fought together with them. Many freedom fighters and warriors sacrificed their life to get freedom for India. After many agitations and battles and a long phase of struggles and sacrifices and tireless efforts of freedom fighters like Gandhiji, Chandrasekhar Azad, Ashfaqullah Khan and Abul Kalam Azad, India finally gained independence. Dear friends, Independence Day is one of the national festivals of India. We celebrate this day to pay tribute to those warriors who sacrificed their life and fought for freedom. At last, we pray Allah to develop and progress our country. Ameen wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin.